Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to name organic compounds in chemistry IGCSE step by step. Start by finding the longest continuous carbon chain and use it as the parent name, then number the chain from the end nearer the highest priority functional group. List substituents alphabetically with their position numbers, and use appropriate prefixes and suffixes. Practice with alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, and simple halogenated compounds to build confidence quickly in each systematic step. Start by identifying whether the molecule is an alkane or an alkene, then locate the longest chain that contains the double bond if present. Number from the end that gives the double bond the lowest number. Name the parent with ane or ene and place the double bond position before the parent name. Add substituent names with position numbers and alphabetical order, and check punctuation for commas and hyphens in the final name. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if this video is helping you study more efficiently. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading textbooks and flashcards anywhere super easy and comfy, perfect for reviewing names on the bus or at a cafe. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it helps your study flow, and now let's get back to the video. Determine which functional group has the highest EUPAC priority, because that group defines the suffix. Then number the chain so that the highest priority group has the lowest possible number. Convert other groups into substituent names with locants and prefixes as needed. Apply correct suffixes like OIC acid or all, and make sure you follow alphabetical rules for substituents while ignoring multiplicative prefixes during alphabetization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.